So this is the review on the Blucher LED headlamp rechargeable 2000L super bright headlight with motion sensor, waterproof, great for hiking and camping. I've used this headlamp and it is fantastic. So motion sensor meaning that basically you just have to go like this, swipe your hand across, it will turn on, swipe your hand across, make it turn off. There is a setting for that. So if in the event you wanted to turn on that setting, all you gotta do is this, and basically it will turn on and off. So it's really cool. But it's got a high beam light, as well just a general light up, kind of like a spotlight, which is really cool. Let me just kind of hit this button right here. So this one right here turns on the high beam, the spotlight. This one right here turns on, it's more of like a spotlight, just kind of lights up everything. And then you hit it again and it does both. And then you hit it again and you've got a red light, and you do it again and it blinks, red light flashes. So I guess if you're in trouble and you need some help, that probably would get someone's attention. So on that note, let's go outside. It's nighttime now. I've been waiting to film this video for it to get dark so we can test it out. All right, so we are outside and here's what we're gonna do. You can see across the way, it's quite dark. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna get this headlamp going. So we'll do first the beam. There we go, look at that. Just a nice bright beam. Totally dark on the other side. Okay, and now let's do the kind of like, I'm not even sure what to call it. I'm not sure if it's spotlight's the right word or if this is spotlight, but it just kind of hit it again. Oops, I turned it off. And now it just lights up a greater area, as you could see, but we don't have that beam of light. And then we hit it again. Let me double check. Yep, and now we have both. So it's lit up this greater area. And we have both. Now if we hit it again, actually if we hit it again, after it's been on for a while, it turns off. So let's go to spotlight beam. There's the next setting. There's both. There is light and red. It's kind of hard to see the red, but it's red. And then, and there's the flashing red. So it doesn't illuminate very far, so got some flashing red going on. But I mean, this is my favorite, right? If I'm out camping and I'm walking somewhere, this is the one that I typically utilize, this setting right here. It is just so nice and bright. Being able to see through the trees up in the mountains was very helpful when it's pitch black. And so I highly recommend this headlamp. Again, it's waterproof, great for camping. Let's just kind of go again through all the settings. I mean, this is both, right? So you've got the beam of light and just kind of where it lights up everything. That's probably going to be the best setting to utilize in the mountains when everything is dark. I usually didn't, simply for the fact that the very first time you touch it, it's just this setting, and that was great for me. So I just kind of went with it. But I mean, if you can get the best of both worlds, why not? So anyways, this is my review on this headlamp. I think it's fantastic. I highly recommend it. Just rechargeable, plug in, I think it was a USB port and just one of these things. And man, this thing is bright.